Right now, you probably feel like you're sitting perfectly still, but that feeling is entirely an illusion. Look past the atmosphere, and you realize we are actually suspended in a massive, quiet black void. In reality, the rock you are sitting on is hurtling through that space at over 800,000 kilometers per hour. Our movement follows a precise trajectory, dictated by the massive cosmic vehicle we inhabit, our home galaxy. This creates a strange paradox for astronomers. The Milky Way is our immediate neighborhood, yet its sheer scale is so staggering that human eyes have never actually seen its true exterior shape. To actually understand our place in the universe, we have to let go of our static, earthbound perspective and mentally map the giant cosmic structure we live inside. To build that map, we have to start at our most familiar anchor point, the Sun, and pull back to see our immediate neighborhood. We live in a quiet cosmic suburb on the curving Orion Arm, sharing this space with over 100 billion stars. Pulling back reveals the galaxy's macro architecture, a rotating barred spiral of stars, gas, and dark matter, stretching an immense 100,000 light-years across. Against that terrifyingly vast expanse, the entirety of human history has unfolded on a single microscopic dot resting near the outer rim. Holding 100 billion scattered stars together across such an enormous distance requires a staggering amount of gravitational force. That force radiates from a single point at the absolute center of the galaxy, where we find the necessary mechanical anchor, a supermassive black hole. This is Sagittarius A star, the architectural core of our galaxy. To exert enough pull to hold a galaxy together, this single object possesses roughly 4 million times the mass of our own Sun. This immense gravitational anchor forces the entire massive barred spiral structure into a state of constant, violent rotation. Which brings us back to our starting point on Earth. We are locked into that rotation, taking 225 million years to complete a single lap around the core. The Milky Way functions as a massive spinning engine, its billions of stars bound to the violent gravitational anchor at its heart. Beyond its internal rotation, the entire galactic structure is traveling through the void toward a specific destination. Looming directly in our path is another giant, the Andromeda galaxy. Moving on a direct intercept course, these two massive structures will inevitably collide in approximately 4 billion years. While that sounds like an apocalyptic event, it won't result in the destruction of our world. Instead, it is a natural, inevitable transformation that will merge two cosmic homes into an entirely new structure. It is easy to get lost in these massive voids of deep space, but the mechanics of this system are far more personal than they appear. For billions of years, the stars within this galaxy have acted as nuclear furnaces, fusing simple gas into heavy elements. When those stars die and explode, they scatter that material into the clouds that eventually formed our planet and our bodies. The atoms in our bones are the physical legacy of this system. When we look at the galaxy, we are looking at our own origin story.